Hi, my name is Deepak Balani. I'm a chef owner at International Wings Factory, a wings themed restaurant here in Upper East Side, Manhattan. So, we opened International Wings Factory back in 2012. I was going to open a French Asian restaurant, but I went towards wings because of my unweathered love for chicken wings and my passion for creating unique sauces, unique blend of spices with bold flavors and well seasoned food. And we chose this community around here because we got three schools, we got ASPCA, we have Asphalt Green, we have three great hospitals, the Metropolitan, Mount Sinai, and Presbyterian. I mean, this was still considered like the best demographics for anybody who would serve a fast, casual wings concept. Our wings that we serve are all natural, with no added hormones and halal. And guess what? They are gluten-free, including the boneless that we make in-house from scratch. So here are the sauces that we make in-house. About 18 different flavors, including the dry rubs. We ship them nationwide via Goldbelly. You can order via online apps, and you can also walk into the store to pick up any of these. All made in-house from scratch. So over the period of years, our fan following has grown substantially, thank God. When I opened this restaurant, it was just me, one helper, and my wife who used to come and help me in the evening. Now we have a team of 8 people as a part of a family. My family is growing too. The funds that we're going to get out of this project will go mainly towards our expansion, registering ourselves as a franchise to start franchising in all the states. We have some best wings here, so might as well take these wings all across the nation. We would also be spending on our marketing efforts, increasing our brand awareness, and a good chunk of this funds will also go into enhancing our merchandise for our patrons. Since it's all about the community and we've thrived in this community here for more than a decade, we are partnering with Honeycomb, which is a community-based investing platform. I want to thank everybody for supporting us for more than a decade and helping us move to the next level of franchising. I also want to thank the viewers for watching this video and considering investing in International Wings Factory's future.